Hello friends, greetings of the day. In the previous video, we have a deliberation about the emergence history of that particular subject of economics of education. In this video, we will try to understand the meaning of education, economics of education. Definition given by a very famous economist Babalola in 2003 is helpful to understand the meaning and concept of economics of education. In his views, economics of education is the application of economics principles, concepts and laws to the process of education. Economics of education study the human behavior in terms of human decisions, action and reaction about schooling. From this very definition, we could conclude that economics of education is one of the branch of ordinary economics. It is not any separate or different that branch of knowledge. Though it is the study of how policymakers, managers make official and approved choices for scarce available resources, which is meant for the realization of the best possible educational outcomes in relation to that human action and reaction about their schooling. Economics of education imply the use of some elementary concept commonly used in labor economics, public sector economics, welfare economics, growth theories and development economics for that development of education in any nation or economy or society. The process of economics and social development in the country is determined by the harmonious functioning of the triangle of economy, education and polity. The economics of the country in the modern world is the only instrument for employing the various types of scarce human resources and material resources in a planned way to build infrastructure in the country or for any particular sector of any economy. Education is conceived as a critical participant in the triangular relationship, and its process leads to the development of skill, efficiency, knowledge, domain of the human being, which is considered as human resource development to maximum, which cumulatively leads to change, development and progress in the society in a planned manner. Political system of a country is in the world is a powerful instrument of the power with tremendous potential both positively and negatively, which is able to influence every sector of the economy of the country and is in position to take major important decisions about allocation of resources and implementation of planning and policy. From this discussion, we could conclude that economics or economists analyze the production of education in the worldwide, where the resources such as capital invested in building or technology and the labor of the teacher or the workforce are necessarily scarce, and the scarcity of resources mean that policymakers have to take decision about how much to spend on each stage of or each sector of education. That means what we have to produce, how to provide educational services in a way that maximize its benefit to the society. That means we have to decide about the process or the method of producing educational activities or educational services. That may be formal, informal or non-formal, and who should have the access to the each stage of education. That means we, as a nation, as a society, the policymaker has to decide about for whom we are going to produce that education. So economics of education is considered as the study of the allocation of resources among the various sectors of education, institutions and activities, and of the returned obtained both by individual and nation. Thank you.